Energy-efficient windows in Orangeburg, SC, are a crucial investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By choosing energy-efficient windows, Orangeburg residents can significantly lower their utility bills and contribute to a more sustainable environment. Window insulation is a key factor in enhancing the energy efficiency of homes in Orangeburg, South Carolina. Proper window insulation helps prevent drafts and reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling. Energy-Efficient Windows Orangeburg services offer a range of solutions, including weather stripping and caulking, to ensure that windows are properly sealed and insulated. Double-glazed windows are a popular choice for Orangeburg homeowners seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. These windows feature 2 panes of glass with a space in between, which acts as an insulating barrier. Energy-efficient windows Orangeburg not only enhance thermal performance, but also reduce noise pollution, making them an ideal choice for busy neighborhoods. Low-E glass is an innovative solution for Orangeburg, South Carolina, residents looking to maximize their window efficiency. This type of glass has a special coating that reflects infrared light, keeping heat inside during the winter and outside during the summer. Low-E glass Orangeburg. South Carolina installations can significantly improve a home's energy performance and comfort levels. Window replacement is a smart investment for Orangeburg homeowners looking to upgrade their property's energy efficiency. Orangeburg window replacement experts can help select the best energy-saving windows for your home, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Replacing old, inefficient windows with modern alternatives can lead to substantial energy savings and increased property value. Energy-saving windows in Orangeburg are designed to reduce energy consumption and enhance indoor comfort. These windows feature advanced technologies such as insulated glass units and thermal breaks to minimize heat transfer. By installing energy-saving windows, Orangeburg residents can enjoy a more comfortable living environment while reducing their carbon footprint. Thermal windows are an excellent choice for Orangeburg, SC, homeowners seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, reducing the need for heating and cooling. Thermal windows Orangeburg SC installations can lead to significant energy savings and a more comfortable home environment. Energy-efficient windows in Orangeburg SC are a crucial investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By choosing energy-efficient windows Orangeburg SC, residents can significantly lower their utility bills and enhance their home's overall energy performance. Window insulation is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment in Orangeburg, South Carolina. Proper window insulation helps prevent drafts and reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling. Orangeburg window insulation services offer a range of solutions, including window sealing and weatherproofing, to ensure maximum efficiency and comfort. Double-glazed windows. Orangeburg are an excellent choice for those seeking enhanced thermal performance. These windows feature 2 panes of glass with a space between them, providing superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. Double-glazed windows help reduce noise pollution and improve energy efficiency, making them a popular choice in Orangeburg SC. Low-E glass Orangeburg, South Carolina is another advanced option for homeowners aiming to improve their window efficiency. Low-E, or low emissivity, glass has a special coating that reflects infrared light, keeping heat inside during the winter and outside during the summer. This technology enhances the energy-saving capabilities of windows, making it a smart choice for Orangeburg residents. Window replacement is a significant home improvement project that can greatly impact energy efficiency. Orangeburg window replacement experts offer a variety of options, including energy-saving windows and thermal windows, to suit different needs and budgets. Upgrading to new windows can improve a home's energy performance and increase its value. Energy-saving windows Orangeburg are designed to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. These windows incorporate advanced technologies such as insulated glass units and argon-filled windows to enhance thermal performance. By investing in energy-saving windows, Orangeburg homeowners can enjoy a more comfortable living environment and reduced energy costs. Thermal windows. Orangeburg SC are engineered to provide superior insulation and energy efficiency. These windows are constructed with materials that minimize heat transfer, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Thermal windows are an excellent choice for Orangeburg residents looking to improve their home's energy performance. Window installation. Orangeburg is a critical step in ensuring the effectiveness of energy-efficient windows. Professional installation ensures that windows are properly sealed and aligned, preventing air leaks and maximizing energy savings. Orangeburg Window Installation Services offer expert guidance and quality workmanship to ensure optimal results.